What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, and today we are here for Mardi Gras, which is their special event that's going on. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. And here we can see the sign showing off select dates January 16th through February 16th. Gonna be weekends. Today's Friday, so for those of you that can't get over here during the weekend, try to come Friday. The festival field where they have a lot of the special events is not being used currently, but we have this area over in Bird Gardens for Mardi Gras. As we can see the entrance right here, music is blasting. We have all sorts of food and tasting booths right away. And we can see this one right here, bourbon or vodka tasting, single pour $9.99, tasting is $16.99. All right, booth number 3, we can see King Cake Cupcakes. You can get them here.
I think we have someone, babe.
Booth number 1 is located in excursions. As we can see, hurricanes. We have ice rum hurricane and a punch hurricane, $12.99 for both. They also have jello shots, $6.99. Here's the Mardi Gras shirt. As we see, just Mardi Gras on the front. All sorts of funny hats, beads, and masks. Right here, merchandise, light up stuff as well. Just look at all those food booths. Booth number 7, sweet beignets. Beignets, powdered sugar, bourbon caramel, rum glazed banana Fosters. $6.99 smoked bourbon peach sour cocktail for $11.99. Rue Bourbon King Square. We have live music.
I'm going to play a couple more for you. I'm going to slow it down a little bit. This is a little bit of a slow blues, and I'll take home some rock and roll.
So as we can see, different show times, 12:30, 2 o'clock, 3:30, and 5. This place is rocking. Booth number 8, more hurricanes. Booth number 9, and this has some substance. We got shrimp po' boy, chicken po' boy, smoked Bloody Mary cocktail. As you can see, prices $8.99, $7.99, and $11.99. And directly across the way, we got King Pink chickens.
I don't think if you do that, it just might open the bag a little. Maybe, I don't know. Right? I mean, if
Next up, we have the Bead Garden. Let's go check it out.
you want to put them on like me, like this, they don't fit over my hat, so I think you should wear them.
Hello, guys. How you doing?
Amazing. How are you?
Doing very well, and I see.
Card?
Yeah, we got the sample card. I see you have lovely beads. Woo! Thank you. I appreciate it. Bobby right here. Let's get a ringer on Bobby. Come on, Bobby. Come on. Let's see. Let's see.
All right, here we go. I believe in you.
Let's do it. Come on.
All right, gotta get the stretching, gotta get it warm up.
Oh, that's good enough. We'll count it. We'll count it. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Savory biscuits for booth number 6, and we can see crawfish, gumbo, braised brisket, spiced vanilla, old-fashioned cocktail, and draft beer. Yum. And here are 2 food items. We can see the gumbo and brisket. Booth number 5, Nola Creamery. We have French Quarter salted caramel bourbon thrill shake, the Mardi Gras waffle cone sundae, and the Nola float. Garden Gate Cafe, and location for booth number 4, Bayou Grub. We have shrimp and grits, jambalaya, impossible jambalaya, and draft beer. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for Mardi Gras. And I do want to say thank you to Busch Gardens for inviting us out. We had a ton of fun. Food is excellent. Drinks are great. Entertainment is very nice. Of course, we've got the awesome rides here. We're going to have more videos. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.